what is network pen testing? Now in this video we are going to take a look at, first of all, what is network pen testing and what is the process to perform network pen testing inside your network. What are the steps available? So let's start with, first of all, network pen testing. What is network pen testing? So you can see in the first point that network pen testing means find vulnerabilities inside network and exploit them. That's right. Network pen testing means, for example, in your network there are two machines available, right? This is your network. So pen tester try to scan both machines. First of all, try to find out vulnerabilities inside the both machines and then try to exploit it. This is called network pen testing. This complete process is called network pen testing. You are trying to pen test your network. You are trying to find out the vulnerabilities inside your network. You are trying to exploit your loopholes. That is called network pen testing. Why it is necessary? It is necessary to find loopholes in your network. Absolutely correct. So if you have no idea what are the vulnerabilities or weakness inside your network, first of all, scan your network, then find out the vulnerabilities inside your network, and then you can use exploits, different kind of methods and exploits to penetrate those loopholes, those weakness, and then you can patch your network. So after performing vulnerability scanning, you need to choose appropriate exploit, because we have a database of exploit. So we need to choose which exploit will be appropriate to perform penetration testing inside this particular case. So you need to perform penetration testing with appropriate exploit and vulnerability. So this is basics of network pen testing. Now, what is approach of network pen testing? What are the steps to perform network pen testing? So first of all, you need to perform information gathering part. Information gathering is also necessary. For example, if you want to get information about what kind of server they are using, right? For example, Apache or Microsoft, how many systems are inside the network. So these kind of information can be gathered in this information gathering step. It is helpful in the next steps. Next is vulnerability scanning. Now you need to scan the vulnerabilities or loopholes available inside your network. So there are various tools available inside industry that you can use to perform vulnerability scanning. For example, we are going to use Nessus vulnerability scanner later in the videos to gather information about the vulnerabilities. Next is exploitation. So in exploitation, you need to perform penetration testing. You already have a list of vulnerabilities. Now you just need to exploit those vulnerabilities and confirm that these are available inside my network. Finally, you need to create a report of the vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. And that is necessary. That will be the summary of your work, overall work. So this is all about network pen testing basics, and in the next video we will learn about various components of network pen testing. Thank you.